My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am going to show you today's makeup of the day. It's a nice neutral everyday look. So if you're interested in how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, enjoy! I'm going to start off with my castor oil vitamin E combination, little mixture here, and use that all over my face like I always do. I don't plan on going outside today, so I don't think I'm going to use my Ultra Sheer SPF 100 today. I hope I am focused. This camera has been giving me such hard times lately. I think today I'm just going to use my BB cream, my tinted moisturizer. I have found that if I spread the foundation or BB cream with my little, what do you call it? I forget what it's called. Silicone little applicator here, skin applicator. If you spread it and then you tap it, I am loving it when I do it like this. I just tried a tapping motion and it just is so nice. It's just as good as my beauty blender in my opinion if I use the tapping motion. If I just use the spreading motion, then I'm not as in love with it as my beauty blender, but I just had to figure out a way to make this work for me so that I would use it more, because it is such a product saver. Because it's not porous, so it's not going to absorb the product. Your skin is going to get all the product instead of your application tool. All right. If you remember, I told you that I gave the second one to my daughter, and she tried it and she did not like it, so she rinsed it off and gave it back to me. But I told her about the tapping motion and she just didn't want to try it again, but I like it. I think it looks pretty flawless, especially because I'm on my last day of updates for my second application glycolic peel, and look at how smooth I think my makeup goes on. And with this applicator, it's nice. I love the pouncing motion of it. Okay. Should have used this first, but oh well. Should use your cream products all together and then your powder products all together, but we'll make it work. Just Vivid. Wow, I like using this for the contouring too, because the product shows up more on my face than when I use the Beauty Blender. When I use the Beauty Blender, it doesn't show up on my face as much. I've never contoured with on my nose with it though, so let's see how this goes. Let's do a tapping motion. Wow. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that makeup look of the day. I love this neutral look because I'm still in my pajamas and I don't know what I'm gonna wear, so it doesn't matter what I wear today because this is a neutral look that'll go with every day. It's an everyday look that you can wear to the office, or you can go on a picnic with it and it's not too dark, too heavy for outdoors. And so yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today, so that's why I thought I would go with a neutral look because I don't know what I'm doing, don't know what I'm wearing, I don't know anything. Anyway, don't forget that if you like the Peak Cosmetics that I also used the Carly Bible palette, but I also used the Peak Cosmetics Natural Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I used the Peak Cosmetics Campfire 3D Fiber Lashes mascara. So if you liked any of this, then don't forget that I have a promo code Glama10 where you can get 10% off of all of their cosmetics on their website, and the website link is down below in the description box, so go click on that, shop around, do some browsing, see if there's anything you like. And I normally wear their Peak Cosmetics dual lipstick, but today I tried something different. I tried the Wet n Wild, but I love Peak. Peak is going to be like my go-to palette and mascara and stuff like that when I don't feel like fiddling with false eyelashes. This is, to me, just as good. So don't forget to go get your 10% discount at Peak Cosmetics, and don't forget how much I love you, and don't forget to leave comments down below and give me your thoughts. Let me know a little bit about y'all. I love getting to know y'all, and y'all get to know me quite a bit, so I would love to know you guys. And I think this video is going to go up, and then I'm going to do one more video before I do my glycolic peel update video for my second application, because I've already filmed all that. Today was the last day of my glycolic second application update. I did 6 days, and so tomorrow, Monday, I am going to either do the glycolic peel again if the TCA 13 peel hasn't gotten here in the mail. If it got here in the mail by tomorrow, then I'll do that. But if it hasn't, then I'm just gonna, on Monday, I'm gonna do a third application of the glycolic peel, but I probably won't film it because I have a feeling that I'm not gonna have a lot more differences with my 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th glycolic peel. So what I would like to do, the way Jennifer said, I would like to do my 3rd week of glycolic peel, and then when the TCA peel comes, then I will do my 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th with that, because it's awesome to know that you can combine the peels from Platinum Skincare. If you don't feel like you're getting enough shedding from the glycolic peels, you can graduate up to the TCA peels, and I'm going to start with the lowest grade, the 13%, and do that for week 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and then but before I post that glycolic peel update, my second application, I'm gonna, like I said, upload this, and then I'm gonna upload, I have a bunch of clothes hanging on my door. I don't know if you remember about a month or a month and a half ago where I took y'all shopping with me to Walmart, and I saw a clearance rack. Everything was like $3 and $5. And so I bought a bunch of stuff, and I still have it hanging there. I haven't tried it on yet, so I'm going to try it on for the first time with y'all. And a lot of the stuff is long sleeves, even though it's hot in Texas right now, but I'm in the AC. So a lot of it is long sleeves. That's why it was on sale, because summertime was coming, and that stuff had to go for the summer stuff to come in. But yeah, I'm excited to try it on, and I'm excited to try it on with y'all. A little scared to try it on with y'all because I still haven't lost all the weight that I want. I've lost 7 pounds, yay! So I feel better about trying on the clothes than if I would have tried it on a month ago. I would have had a bigger little tummy than I do now, so I'm glad that I've lost a little bit of weight. Anyway, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.